to the fleet, so it's going out to the fleet next year. And they did a whole lot of tests where we're dropping it in the doorway of an open compartment to simulate the guy panicking and to put the fire outside the compartment. And it went down the hallway and around the corner. And
they throw it into water as well?
Yep, it goes underwater too. So if you're on a boat that's full of water, there's fire on the fuel on the top, and you pull this, throw it into the water, it'll come up through the water with the fire on the top. That's where it's going. Getting excited.
It worked too well.
Working, mate? Oh, this going. It's better than juice maker than that, hey? So if you're standing close to the door, you can actually see the oxygen being sucked in the bottom, and you can see all the DSPA swirling. So if you're running a gas blood type system, it'll be able to contain the fire. So if you're through lighting right now, get back in the room. That's quite like the heat coming off. Like I said, the idea in a building fire is the door is shut for a good 10 minutes. It shouldn't be open.